Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are and whenever you find a moment to watch this short video message. Thank you for inviting me to contribute to this collective and planetary video survey on e-culture, Delma Rodriguez Morales and everyone involved. Cultural life in and through the digital sphere, e-culture, so to speak, from my point of view, is nowadays moving more and more into the sensory corpus of life forms, humanoid or otherwise, including sonic sensibilities, about which my admired colleague Salome Vögelin writes. In this way, we can continue to witness how the cultures of writing, which have accelerated the acquisition, dissemination, and application of knowledge in recent centuries, are moving into the realm of sensory corpus, your and my body. The Italian philosopher Mario Perniola wrote about these sensologies that are beginning to shape our lives. Right now, in the mid 2020s, I feel that this current transmutation of e-culture is presenting us with some rather dangerous, ambivalent, challenging riddles. Riddles and conflicts, however, that are desirable and fascinating and intriguing to deal with. I hope that this new era of e-culture can come to pass with more joyful and promising scenarios than the political developments and the digital entanglements seem to offer us today.